Have you ever wondered how to see everything at Disneyland in just one day? It could feel impossible, but don't worry, I'm here to show you exactly how you can do it. Many people get overwhelmed and miss out on the fun, but with the right plan, you can make your day magical. So stick around to learn how. So first, make sure that you download the Disneyland app, okay, for wait times and maps. It's a lifesaver. Next, arrive early and head straight to the most popular rides like Space Mountain or Indiana Jones before the lines get too long. Okay? The popular ones first, right? So don't forget to take advantage of the Disney Genie Plus service to skip the line on even more rides like Haunted Mansion and Big Thunder Mountain. And remember, snacks like churros and Dole Whip are must-haves to keep your energy up. That's not really my personal recommendations. I would tell you to boil some eggs and have water and black coffee. So make sure that you make time for parades and the shows because they're awesome and they give you a break from walking. Finally, end your day with fireworks. The fireworks show, it's a perfect finish. So get excited because with these tips, you can have an unforgettable day. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.